There's a lot to gain from good time management. First, it helps you prioritize your daily tasks. By creating a list of everything you need to tackle, you begin to see what you should do first. For example, if you had 2 projects due on Tuesday and Wednesday, which one would you complete first? Which tasks are important and time-sensitive because of deadlines? That way, you set out to do those tasks first. It will also help you get more done. When you have a plan, you can figure out how much you need to do and how long it's going to take you to do it. This way, you'll avoid wasting time and stay on track.
And it improves the quality of your work. Using time management techniques allows you to work towards your goals over a period of time instead of rushing to finish something at the last minute. You stay focused, and that focus equals more quality work. These skills encourage you to be disciplined. When you know your deadlines, it pushes you to get things done. And when you write it down, it helps you to get started because it's there staring at you in the face.